to cook a delicious pot of ofako. So after washing and boiling your palm kernel with some salt, you scoop it to the mortar and then you start to pound. When pounding, you pound very well until it looks like this. It has to look like this. Then when it starts to look like this, you scoop into a bowl that you're comfortable to wash it in, and then you transfer from the mortar to the bowl. After transferring from the mortar to the bowl, you go in with very hot water and then you mix with cold water so your skin can bear it, because the water has to be hot and at the same time not burning your hands when you're washing. The hands is the very best way to wash this akwu, so you can wash off all the oil from the palm kernel. So after this, you have to sieve with a bigger sieve into a basin, and then after sieving it, you squeeze the fiber for the liquid to come out. This is the main washing because this is where the substance is packed. The first washing, you can wash 2 or 3 times, but me, I wash this one 3 times because get wetin I want full water for my pot when I carry am do, because washing it more than 3 times or washing it plenty times with plenty water will make the water to be so much. So you can see how my last washing looks like. The water is clearer. So after that, I look for a smaller sieve and I sieve into the pot that I'll be using to cook the ofako. This sieving is very necessary because there are some particles that you find in this water that if you don't remove them, it will make you quite uncomfortable when you're eating the ofako stew. So you're going to see the chaff I got from sieving it the second time. Yes, this is it, guys. So we're going to put it on fire. Woo! So let's put it on fire and leave it to boil. Yes, we're going to set it on fire and allow it to keep boiling until the water reduces to the amount I want it to be. Yes, this is the amount I want it to be. I don't want it to be too thick because it's going to reduce the quantity of the stew. So we're going in with our proteins for the day: the fish, the meat, crayfish, ukpei. Then I slice in some onions and go in with some salt. After the salting, I go in with my scent leaves, also known as nchang in Igbo. Then after the scent leaves, I go in with my ugu. Some people call it ugu, but we call it ogo in Igbo language, known as pumpkin leaves. Then this is the last. I'm done. Guys, look at our yummy ofako stew, banga stew. So I start the dishing. This is the favorite time of cooking because the food done, it done ready. As they hot to go, they down them. This is the dinner and I am dishing it. I hope you guys learned how to make banga stew from this video. Look at the face of my food. As you all know, I don't eat meat. So that is why you are not seeing meat in my food.
Thanks for watching and please follow me for more.